Hello everybody, today I'm going to be making the 7th song of the week, and I'm going to start with the guitar finger picking part. And this time I'm doing something a little different because I'm playing the song in 9/8. I think now I'm going to add some random chords on just the notes that I was finger picking to give it a more full sound, fill in the blanks. Cool, so now I'm just going to do the same thing, but in a slightly less dissonant, with a slightly less dissonant harmony. I like how that's sounding. I think I'm going to add tiered entrances on these guitar parts, so it sounds cooler. Alright, I like how those tiered entrances are sounding on a guitar part, and now I'm going to do the same finger picking pattern and then go into like a retardando to transition into the next part of the song. I like how that part sounds. Now I think I'm going to add some saxophone over that, and then lastly I'm just going to add a bass part to the whole thing, and then we'll be done. Okay, so now I'm going to add a tenor part to the slower guitar finger picking part. I finished adding in the bass parts, so here's the final song.